Diffusion occurs when particles move throughout a liquid or through a membrane. We'll show you how it works here. We have a container with some water in it, and we add a few crystals of purple dye to it. The color spreads out and eventually turns all of the water purple. We can think of the dye as consisting of small particles or molecules, which we drop into the water. At first, the particles are highly concentrated in this area, and the rest of the water is an area of low concentration of these particles. Diffusion is defined as the movement of particles from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. So the particles, with the help of collisions with randomly moving water molecules, will move out and spread throughout the container, bringing their color with them. Diffusion can also take place through a membrane. A semi-permeable membrane is a thin layer that lets small molecules through and blocks larger ones. You can see the smaller ones get through the small holes, but the larger one doesn't. Capillaries are tiny, thin-walled blood vessels. You'll learn more about these later in this course. Here are some red blood cells moving through a capillary. The thin walls of capillaries in our lungs allow oxygen and carbon dioxide to diffuse through them. In the capillaries in contact with the lungs, red blood cells release carbon dioxide that they have carried from the cells of the body. So the concentration of CO2 is higher inside this capillary than it is outside this capillary in the lungs. After inhaling, the concentration of oxygen in the lungs is higher than it is inside the capillary. Now, materials diffuse from an area of higher concentration to one of lower concentration. So oxygen diffuses from the lungs into the capillary, and carbon dioxide diffuses out of the capillary into the lungs. The red blood cells absorb oxygen in the capillary and carry it to the cells of the body. There are many other examples of diffusion in living things, as you will see.